Welcome everyone. In the next few minutes, we'll review the latest HR news. Let's get started. On July 4th, the President signed a bill into law that appeals to those in favor of federal paid family leave. The law makes the employer tax credit for providing paid family and medical leave permanent. The credit was established under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in 2017. It was originally authorized as a 2-year trial, but has been extended twice. Under the law, eligible employers may claim the tax credit, which is equal to a percentage of the wages they pay to qualifying employees who take paid family and medical leave. The reasons employees may take leave mirror the reasons for leave taken under the Federal Family and Medical Leave Act. Employers don't have to be covered by the FMLA to claim the tax credit. In other FMLA-related news, on July 10th, 2 members of Congress introduced a bipartisan bill called the Ensuring Access to FMLA Leave for Military Spouses Act. Under the bill, a military spouse would need to be employed for 90 days before taking FMLA leave. Currently, a military spouse must be employed for 12 months before taking leave. Employees would still need to work at a location with at least 50 company employees within 75 miles. While this piece of legislation has little chance of being enacted into law, it indicates that members of Congress are still interested in making amendments to the FMLA. And finally, a deaf driver applicant recently won a $36 million verdict against a trucking company. The suit was filed by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission on the driver's behalf. The jury in the case ruled that the company violated the Federal Americans with Disabilities Act when it turned down a driver applicant because of his hearing disability. Although the company claimed the driver posed a direct threat on the road and argued that an accommodation created an undue hardship, the court didn't buy it. In addition to the fines, which the judge ended up reducing, the company must keep records of any deaf truck driver applicants and report that data to the EEOC for the next 3 years. That's all the HR news we have time for today. Thanks for watching. See you next month.